Happy February! It's Jen from Polk County Public Libraries, and I'm going to tell you about the Teen Craft Take and Make Kit that we have for this month. So we have a pop-up card you can make. So go ahead and pick up your kit from Saluda or Columbus Libraries. This is the Teen Kit, so it is designed for 6th to 12th graders. And we're going to make a lovely pop-up card with a 3D heart on it. You can use this for Valentine's Day, or you can give it for a birthday or any other holiday you might like. So follow along with this video and we will make our pop-up card. Okay, so in your Take and Make kit you have a brown paper card that is folded, a brown envelope, a glue stick, a black pen, and 6 little sheets of paper. You have 5 that are different color that we're going to use for our hearts, and then you have 1 white piece of paper that we're going to use for our clouds. And then what you don't have in your kit that you need is a pair of scissors. So the first step is to cut 5 hearts from the colored pieces of paper. So I want the hearts to be the same because these are going to be 3D hearts. I want them to be the same shape. So I'm going to kind of line up these papers biggest to smallest, so I make sure that the heart isn't bigger than my smallest piece of paper. And I've always found the easiest way to cut hearts is to fold them in half. And then if you want, you can draw a heart shape, a half heart shape, or you can just cut freehand. So let's see how this goes. So I'm going to cut my half a heart. It is a little difficult to cut through this many sheets of paper, but I think I will be able to do it. All right. So I have my 5 hearts. Now they are actually a little squiggly. I think that is because of both the scissors I used and because I cut all those papers at the same time. So you know what? I kind of like my squiggly heart, so I'm going to leave it. However, if you wanted it to be more perfect, you can go back around and cut them to be smooth, or you could just cut your hearts out maybe 2 at a time, so it's not as difficult. Alright, so now that we have our 5 identical paper hearts, we are going to make our 3D heart by gluing them together. So you want each one folded in half, and if you cut yours like mine, then it already is folded in half. And then you're going to glue them together. And this is where your glue stick comes in. So you'll glue half the heart, and then you'll connect another one. And we want this to pop up. So I'm going to keep gluing that same side. So I did my pink heart, my yellow heart, my brown heart, some more glue, add my blue heart, and then add my final 5th heart, which is my orange heart. So now they are all glued together, and I have one beautiful 3D heart. Alright, I'm going to move my trash out of the way. And then you have to decide what kind of design you want for your card. So you might want it going horizontally, or you might want it going vertically. So think about that before you glue your heart to the card. I'm going to do it vertically. And I'm going to do a cute little hot air balloon design I saw. So I'm going to go back and get that white piece of paper, and I'm going to go back and get my scissors, and I'm going to cut out a cloud to put behind my hot air balloon. And I'm going to put the cloud down first so it is behind the hot air balloon, the heart hot air balloon. You can do any design you like. You do not have to copy mine or do a hot air balloon. Of course, this is your art, your craft, however you want to do it. All right, there's my cloud. And then I'm going to glue my heart for the hot air balloon. So I'm going to find the flat backs of my 3D heart. So those will be the first and the last hearts you started with. The pink and the orange in my case. And I'm going to glue it on top of my cloud. And this is where that black pen you have comes in. I'm going to draw the rest of my card. And you can look up online to get inspiration or use your own imagination and creativity to create whatever design you want with your beautiful 3D heart. But I found this one online, the hot air balloon. So let's see how it goes. So I'm going to draw the lines. The heart here is the balloon, and I'm going to draw the strings that would go down to the little wicker basket that hot air balloons have that they carry people in. And I'm going to draw some little bows. You can add more details if you like. And then I'm going to draw a little wicker basket that people stand in for the hot air balloon. If you are particular, you might want to sketch it with pencil first and then go over it with your black pen. But I'm just going to freehand it. This is quite a nice black pen. I do like it. Alright, so I have my hot air balloon heart design for a lovely Valentine's Day card. Of course, you can use your black pen to write a message inside, to write the name of the person you want to give it to on the outside of the envelope. I hope you guys enjoy this craft and have fun.